Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you need to receive crypto into your Zengo wallet, here's how to quickly view your wallet address. First, open the Zengo app on your phone. Now on the home screen, tap on the receive button. Here select the crypto asset you want to receive like Bitcoin, Ethereum or USDT. Let me go with Solana for this one. Once selected, your wallet address will appear as both a QR code and text format. You can now tap copy to share the address and always double check the asset you are receiving because sending the wrong coin to the wrong address can result in loss. And that's how you view your wallet address in Zengo, quick and secure. And yes, that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And yes, let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.